We stayed in the Hampton Inn Suites in Kutztown, Pennsylvania. It was a Hilton brand. I used some points. I do have the Hilton card. I have a free card though, so it really doesn't give me much status. We're on the third floor. It's a nice room, modern, plenty of space, big TV. Kutztown is not a big town, so it wasn't like there was like a really lot to do around there. But it was. We were at the Kutztown Fair, so it was convenient place to stay. Nice large bathroom, little separate area for the toilet, which is nice. Shower area, no tub. Shower was fine. It had plenty of space. Soaps and shampoos. Big mirror, closet area, an iron. Well, I don't really know who irons these days. We had a refrigerator, microwave, some coffee set up, drawers for storage if you're so inclined, desk area. Plugs, USBs, hanging area. There were also plugs and USBs on each side of the bed, which was very nice. Outdoor courtyard, sitting area. I believe that was in the back. Here's the front entrance. Little shop on the side, which is very nice. They had a little alcohol, sodas, snacks. They had a little bit of everything, which is very convenient. There is no food. Well, there's a breakfast, but there's no like restaurant open other than at breakfast. Here's the pool, gym, nice gym, laundry service, always nice to have. This is the breakfast area. They had a very nice breakfast in the morning. We weren't able to tape it because there were too many people around. But it was hot food, and there was a nice variety, nice seating area. So it was included with the whole hotel room. There was no extra charge, so that was a nice perk.